This extension of Stable Diffusion will let you swap faces with just one click. Earlier it was a hassle to swap faces with Photoshop by selecting faces and then pasting it on another bodies, but now it has become a cakewalk. So let's get started. First we go to this website and then copy the link from here. We'll click on code and copy the link, and now we are going to paste it in the URL section. Install from URL, paste it and then press on the install button. Once it is installed, you need to go to installed tab and then press on apply and restart UI once you see the extension in your list. Once the UI is started, you will see it under the ControlNet if you have installed ControlNet extension. So you must be wondering why this extension? Well, this extension can be used to get constant faces without having to use LoRa's and embeddings. This is very useful for people with low power GPUs who cannot train their own embeddings and LoRa's, and you can also use your own face to make images, which can be pretty interesting as well. And as always, all the links will be given in the description. The Roop extension will be available in both IMG to IMG and text to IMG tabs. And let's look at the examples now. I'm using a very simple prompt and the model I'm using is Dream Shaper 8. I'm also using high-res fix. Now let's upload the image to Roop extension. I will use the very familiar face of Pane, hold the Pane herald, click on enable button, and also use restore face, because if you don't use restore face you will get blurry or low quality faces. Now let's press on generate. The result is pretty good, not that good, but I will show you another examples. Those came out very well. Thank you for watching. A like and sub to the channel would be appreciated.